Happy Saturday nighttime routine. How's my babes doing on this beautiful Saturday? So I had a wonderful Shabbat. So now I am going to do my nighttime routine. Y'all see I have my bonnet. I got this bonnet off of Amazon, as a matter of fact. Yeah, I got this from Amazon. I love it. For Amazon. I'm going to get some more of these. This fits my locks perfectly. It fits it perfectly. And it's stylish. It's kind of stylish. Because look, it has all the nice little colors. I'm serious. It's stylish. I can wear this with some jeans out, I'm just relaxing. I like it. It's comfortable. Satin. Okay. What we're going to do first is, let's see. Y'all know we got so many to choose from. Let me bring this down some. Okay, so we have so many facials to choose from. You all know you could get these at Target. You could get them at Walmart. Let's see which one y'all think. Okay, we have the watermelon. Sounds yummy. Avocado. Sounds yummy. Pomegranate. Sounds yummy. Let's see which one we're gonna do. Aloe vera. Yummy. No, that's healing. Aloe heals. And then we have the pore minimizing T-zone. Okay, so I think I want to try we're going to do the pomegranate, y'all. We're going to do the pomegranate. Okay, so that's and these masks, y'all get these masks is no more than like $3. Okay, and my cosmetic case is from none other than Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful Saturday? Y'all, I have to get some more phone protectors. The lens. I have to order some more because I dropped my phone. Okay, you all. This smells so good. Have y'all tried pomegranate? I have. I put it when I have some pomegranate, I use it in a smoothie. Yeah. So, and of course it's red. Red is so pretty. Red is one of my lucky colors. Yeah. So y'all can find these for no more than like $3. Let's see. Okay, pomegranate peel off mask enriched with pomegranate oil. Y'all have to get these. It says help skin feel toned and tightened with our superfood pomegranate peel off mask designed to help gently remove dead skin cells to reveal a more glowing complexion. And I really, these facial masks help your skin glow. I'm telling you. Okay, look at for mine. So how is everyone doing on this beautiful Saturday evening? Might as well say Saturday night because it's after 7 now. It's after 7. Oh, it's all gel. It smells good, y'all. It smells good. Y'all, you should do a mask. I would say 3 days a week, because it's pampering. You want to pamper yourself. And I tell you, these masks have my skin looking so good. Now, when y'all applying these masks, make sure you be careful. You don't want to get any of it in your eye. This smells good, you know. This is superfood now. You all know superfoods is good for you. Yes, help burn those calories. This feels good. Y'all have to pick these up. I think, okay, so I think I can have, we'll count and see how many I got left. I think I got at least 4 left. I have at least 4 left. Oh, yummy. It was yummy, y'all. It was yummy. Y'all see? It was yummy. And get all under the chin, y'all. Just put it on. Have fun. Yummy. These are so fun. I am so girly girl. I do these 3 times a week. Have your skin glowing. And you'll leave this on for a good 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes is all enough. Oh, this looks good. Do it over your eye, but be careful. Looks good. Feels good. Smells good. Yum, yum. So, next, oh, shoot, y'all, I almost got it in my nose. Who's got it in my nose? So next week I am going to get the other rollerball. Y'all know I have the pink rollerball, the rose quartz, and I have the green one, which is the jade. And so the next one I'm getting is the blue one. It's called Avertine or something like that. Yeah. So I'm going to get that. I was sitting here thinking about what I'm going to purchase next week when payday comes. That's what my money's for me to shop. So yeah. That way I'll have all 3 rollerballs. And y'all make sure y'all get under that eye. Get under that eye. But be careful. And if y'all watch my last videos, the proper way that you care for the rollerball, you make sure y'all refrigerate it first. Okay? Refrigerate it. And then when you put it on your face, you get that nice, cool, refreshing feeling. It feels so good. It's just like putting a cold pack on yourself. It feels so good. Especially once you've done your facial. So y'all make sure y'all add that step in doing your skincare. Make sure I get on nice and good. Even down. Right there. So what else is we going to buy next week? Oh, I'm going to go to Sally's. I'm going to go to Sally's and get the hair dye. Yes, so because I get a little bit of gray around the edges, y'all. And y'all my ass, you know, so I got to get rid of that gray, honey. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Sally's next week. I'm gonna get the dye, and y'all can help me color my hair. So we have those 2 videos coming, beauty videos. So we'll have a hair care, a hair video, skincare video. And if y'all have not subscribed, y'all please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all, I took my nails off. I took the acrylic off temporarily, and I just painted my nails myself. But honey, yes, we got to get some. We got this. I have forgot how, like when you paint your nails, how your regular polish will chip. We can't have that. We can't have that. So I'm going to get some. I got to get some nail polish remover. I just happened to find this polish in the cabinet, and I'm like, well, let me try this polish because I hadn't put it on in a long time. So yeah. So yeah. So we're gonna get some remover and take this polish off. I'm gonna just wear my regular nails. Now my nails grow long. I was just putting acrylic on my nails, to keep them hard so they won't break. But I cut my nails down. Okay, so here's our roller balls. This is the Jade. This is the Jade. Okay, Jade. And do y'all have your roller balls? Now this one, it is ice cold. It's been in the refrigerator for days. It has been in there for days, literally. And here is the rose quartz. Here's the rose quartz. It looks like it's about frozen. It is gonna feel so good on my skin. So it's been almost 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. So we're gonna wash this off. Hold tight. Okay, so we're gonna see how we peel this off. Here's how I peel it. This is a peel off mask. Let's peel off. Okay, here we go, y'all. Been peeling it, think we don't want it. I gotta make sure I'm getting it right. Oh, shoot. Okay, here we go. So I guess you just go right in a downward motion, and it will just peel off. So it's not hard. You just peel off, peel. So, so we're going to get the roller ball and the hair dye. And what else are we going to get? What else are we going to get? Y'all know what else I need? Now, I have the cape, when you're doing your hair. Yeah, you can put the cape around you. Now, I have a short one, so when I go to the beauty supply, I'm going to get a long one. I need a long one because my hair is long. My hair is really long. So, I really need to go ahead and get a long cape. So we'll do that. So we'll get the hair dye and the cape from Sally's. Okay, from Sally's. And what else? Okay, y'all. It's peeling off good. It's peeling off good. Oh, my skin look brand new already. It does. Look, y'all. Now the roller balls are $13. $13. Yeah. And they had a sale. They had a sale at Sephora. Sephora had a sale, so they may still have the sale because y'all know they be extending the Black Friday sales. Y'all know they be extending them sales. So they're gonna have, these stores is gonna have sales all the way until next year. Y'all know how they go. So if y'all want to pick up something from Sephora, y'all hit them up. Y'all know. Okay, so now we got the mask all cleaned up. It peeled off so perfectly. So now we're gonna use our toner. Y'all, I have a full bag of cotton balls. Okay. And I'm gonna make sure that I do not, y'all know I will overdo it. I'm gonna make sure I don't overdo it. Okay, that's enough. I'm not gonna mess around. I had to go back and delete because I had to get some space on my phone. My storage had gotten full. So this is the Witch Hazel toner. Now, Sephora has, no, this is by Mario Badescu. Okay, if y'all haven't tried this is a very nice skincare line. It's for all skin types. All skin types. Okay, final step. A little mist. This is the lavender. Okay, y'all, final step. It's the roller ball. Do not forget this step. And this is so soothing. Now use the big end for your cheekbones, y'all. Cheeks go all the way out in your forehead. It feels so good. Now you use the small part and the T-zone. And around your eyes. And be real careful. Y'all, thank y'all for tuning into my video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can know notified when I'm dropping the videos. Bye, babes.